Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can schedule a Microsoft Teams meeting through Outlook. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Outlook. So once you open, you simply need to click here, this icon and this option. So here you can see, otherwise it is like this. So you simply need to click here and in the top you can see Teams meeting, click here and here you can see different options. So you simply need to click on schedule meeting and another window will be open. So here you need to select two. You need to add the email address of the person that you want to invite, and here you need to add the subject, and here you need to select the location, Microsoft Teams meeting, and you need to select the start time, end time, and here you can see an option. And once you complete that, you add the list of the persons that you want to invite. Then you simply need to click on send, and here you can see that this will be sent to the person like this, and he can join meeting by clicking on this link, or he can use meeting ID and password like this as well. So this is the process how you can schedule a Microsoft Teams meeting through Outlook. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.